Welcome to our steam iron showcase. Today, we'll explore the top steam irons available on Amazon. Discover how these irons can make your ironing experience smoother, quicker, and more efficient with their advanced features. Let's dive in. This cordless steam iron offers freedom of movement, making it easy to iron in any direction. Without the hassle of a cord, it features a double-pointed sole plate and a powerful steam burst function, making it effective on all types of garments. Its compact size and portability make it perfect for those who travel frequently or have limited storage space. The Shei steam iron combines a titanium-infused ceramic sole plate with powerful steam capabilities, making it highly effective on all types of fabrics. The adjustable steam lever and precise temperature control provide versatile ironing options, and the sleek design is both stylish and functional. This iron is ideal for those who value both performance and aesthetics. This budget-friendly steam iron features a lightweight design, making it easy to handle and perfect for quick ironing jobs. It includes a non-stick sole plate for smooth gliding over fabrics and a smart steam control that automatically adjusts the steam output based on the temperature. This iron is great for those who need a simple, effective tool without breaking the bank. Known for its powerful 300 watt output and 260 steam boost, the T-Fal Ultimate Pure is ideal for tackling tough wrinkles. It has a built-in anti-scale system to ensure long-lasting steam performance and a large 150 water tank for extended ironing sessions. This iron is perfect for those who frequently iron large amounts of clothing. The Rowenta TW offers a high-precision tip and 7 cross steam holes for efficient steam distribution, making it excellent for removing wrinkles from all types of fabrics. It also has an easy-to-read digital display and an automatic shoot-off feature for added safety. This iron is perfect for those who want professional-grade results at home.